In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Excel. Changing font size is one of those simple tweaks that can dramatically improve readability and make your worksheet look more professional. The idea is straightforward. Tell Excel which cells you want to affect, then choose the font size you want. Let's walk through it clearly so you can do it confidently every time. Start by selecting what you want to change. Click a single cell to adjust just that one, or click and drag to highlight a range. If you need an entire row or column, click its header. You can even select the whole sheet if you're standardizing everything at once. The key is that Excel applies formatting to whatever is selected at the moment you make the change. Next, look to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the font group, you'll see a box that shows a number, often 11 by default. That's your font size box. Click the drop-down arrow to see a list of preset sizes and choose the one that fits your needs. As soon as you pick a size, Excel applies it instantly to your selection. If you already know the exact size you want and don't see it in the list, click in the box, type the number, and press Enter. This is helpful for precise control, like setting 13 or 15 points. If you prefer to adjust gradually, use the Increase Font Size and Decrease Font Size buttons right next to that box. They're the icons with a large A and a small a. Each click nudges the size up or down, which is perfect when you want to visually step through options to find the best fit without scrolling a menu. A few practical tips as you go. If your text still looks cramped or cut off after resizing, that's usually a column width or row height issue rather than the font itself. Also, keep in mind that zooming the worksheet changes how large things look on your screen, but it doesn't change the actual font size that will print or appear for others. For consistency across your workbook, choose a base size for most cells, like 10, 11, or 12 points, and reserve larger sizes for headings and totals, such as 14 or 16 points. And remember, Excel keeps using the last font size you applied for new entries in the same selection until you change it again. That's all there is to it. Select your cells, choose a size from the font box, or use the increase and decrease buttons for fine-tuning. With these tools, you can make any worksheet clearer, cleaner, and easier to read in just a few clicks.